Alright guys, and welcome back to today's video. So on today's video guys, I'll be taking you guys straight to how you can be able to sell your memeFi coin in a very easy way. All right, so right now pay close attention. Let's now do it. I'll be trying my best to make this video as short as possible, but I will still try and hit all the main points that you need to know before you can be able to sell your memeFi token so easily. It is quite so simple, but as a newbie or someone who hasn't done trading before, you may find it a kind of difficult to completely sell your memeFi token. So right now, without talking much, let's dive deeply into today's business. Please, if you like this type of content, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It literally means the whole world to me. I'm begging you. And also, do not forget that we give out free turn to our community. So if you want to be getting free turn, make sure to like this video, subscribe, share this video, and also put your comment down below, because we are actually picking from the comment section. So right now, let's dive deeply into how to actually sell your memeFi token. So the first step that you naturally need to take is to actually have a trading account. Either you have Bybit, KuCoin, Binance. No, it's not yet listed on Binance, Binance, KuCoin, and every other exchanges except Binance. So you can actually trade your memeFi token there. But on this video, I'll be using my, of course, I'll be using my Bybit. But right now, this is the first thing that I actually needed to do. So what I needed to do as someone who doesn't know about it is simply go straight into your Play Store. You go ahead and search for the exchange that you want to use. Example, Bybit. Okay, Bybit, you search for Bybit, then you make sure that you have downloaded and installed Bybit like this one. So I think I have to update this right now. Okay, so once you have downloaded Bybit, then you have to go back and of course search for Windscript VPN. Okay, so this step is very necessary. Windscript VPN, you type in Windscript, this is it right here. And over here, you make sure you download this Windscript VPN. It is so important. I believe and I know that you must have set up your OKX account by now. So your OKX account should be very ready by now if you actually participated very well on memeFi. So right now, remember, you are needing your OKX account because that's where you are going to be making your withdrawal to. So right now, guys, this is our memeFi bot, isn't it? So this is how your interface look like, because they are actually about to start their season 2. So right now, click on Airdrop. Once you click on Airdrop, this is where you are going to see your allocation. But for me, I have already withdrawn all my memeFi. I've already withdrawn it. So right now, you can see when I view our history, then you can see that it has been successfully claimed. And over here, guys, this is of course what I got. And you can see once you come over here to memeFi and claim yours, you are not going to be seeing this OKX logo right here. It's going to be showing something like that looks like this, but it is actually a signal that your transaction is pending. It may take 10 to 20 minutes for it to reflect on your OKX. And once it is deposited on your OKX, then this OKX logo is going to show you. That was mean that the deposit or the claim is now successful. So remember, you once downloaded VPN, isn't it? So once you have claimed your memeFi and it has reflected on your, okay, this is my OKX wallet. Once you have claimed your memeFi and it has reflected on your OKX wallet like this, you can see I have some amount of memeFi right here, which I'm going to be using to show you guys the demonstration of what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so right now, once you have withdrawn from memeFi bots to OKX, it is going to show up here immediately. So let me show you what you need to do. What you need to do first is simply you need to on this VPN. Okay, so Windscript VPN, open it and make sure that you are connected, just like my own is connected right now. Okay, make sure that you are connected, very important, so that you can seamlessly navigate through the OKX wallet. Okay, it is so simple. So once your VPN is well connected, then congratulations. So remember, our VPN is connected. So the next thing we need to do is simply come back to OKX wallet like this. Then you need to make sure you have SOI or SIU, this SIU right now. It is going to be the token that you are going to need to make transaction. Okay, it's going to be the token that you're going to need before you can be able to send this memeFi out of this OKX to another exchange or another wallet. Okay, so it is so simple like that. Okay, right now let's go. Right now, I have been able to get some SUI right here. I have over 2 points. Okay, two SUI right here. I call it SUI. You can call it SI, whichever one. So right now, because I already have this token right here, this coin rather, because I already have it, then I am now ready to be able to transfer my memeFi out from here to to Bybit where I'm going to be selling it. So right now, what I need to do is very, very simple. So remember, we have already downloaded Bybit, okay? I'm just using Bybit for example, okay? Bybit like this, okay? We have already downloaded it, then I have to open it up. So you can see my Bybit is opening up right now. Bybit is a crypto trading platform that helps you trade your cryptocurrency and every other stuff, like, you know, normal trading. Okay, right now, this is our Bybit, isn't it? So what I need to do right now, once you have downloaded and verified your Bybit, is simply go to the assets. If you do not have Bybit, or if you do not know how you can go around Bybit to verify it, then wait for my later videos. I'm going to be making some videos about how to actually verify your Bybit. And also, if you want to be selling your memeFi right now, but you probably don't have exchange where you are going to be selling it, relax. I'm going to be telling you what to do in just a minute, okay? So over here, guys, this is my Bybit account. Remember, what we are trying to do is that we want to send our memeFi out from OKX to Bybit, isn't it? So right now, I'll click on deposit. Though I already have some memeFi here already, I think. Okay, after selling, I bought some. Okay, I bought some. So I have some memeFi right here. So mark this amount so that we'll be able to identify when the other one comes in. Okay, so right now I will click on deposit. Okay, then you have to search for memeFi. Okay, so we have to search for memeFi. Okay, this is memeFi. Okay, you need to select the wallet network. So we have to select SIU, which is the SUI. So you are going to be given your wallet address. Okay, this is your wallet address. Make sure that it is under SUI blockchain. Okay, though it is only SUI that's available right now. So we have to proceed. I have to copy this wallet right now, and of course, go to my OKX. Okay, so getting SUI for your transaction fee could be a little bit hard, but if you need some free SUI, just let me know on the comment section. I might just give it I might just give some gas fee to SUI. Okay, for the sake of this, okay, we are going to be using SUI to compensate people that are supposed to get stoned for interacting with our channel. So if you need SUI, make sure to leave your comment down below so that I can be able to choose you. All right, so right now, remember, I'm now going to be choosing people to give them SUI instead of ton, okay, just for this video. So right now, let's proceed. Over here right now, you can see this is my memeFi. I will click on memeFi like this. Then of course, I have to click on send because we want to send it out. Okay, so you click on send. Then of course, I have to input that my address that I already copied from Bybit. I will paste it right here. You can see, make sure that the address is the same. You can see ending with 84F or 84F. So I come right here. You can see this one is also ending with 84F. So we come back right here. Then you have to click on confirm. So right now it's going to be loading up real quick. Then we have to select the amount of memeFi that we want to transfer. For this video, I want to transfer everything. So I'll have to click on max. So right now I'm going to be transferring 1,628 memeFi to my OKX. So I have to click on next. Very simple. So I have to confirm this transaction and boom, this transaction is going to be sent immediately. I verify my identity. Okay, so right now it's going to be sent right now, loading up real quick. You can see transaction submitted right now. I have to wait until the transaction is confirmed. Okay, so if you want to be seeing the condition of this transaction, whether it has gone through or not, you click over here right now. You have to scroll down, then you have to, of course, check out this transaction house. Just click on it to copy, then you go to the explorer, then you paste it. It's so simple like that. So right now, let's go ahead and check out our Bybit to see if we have actually received any token. So right here on Bybit, let me go back like this. Then let's go back again. So let me see. You can see I got a notification from Bybit right here. Let me just check it out. I got a okay. You can see, okay, this is the one that I actually sent. And over here, guys, this is the one that shows that I have successfully deposited this amount of memeFi. So right now, you can see our deposit is now complete. And when you look down right here, you can see that we now have over 2,869 memeFi coin. So now the question is, how do you actually go around to sell this? So let me teach you a quick one. So over here, guys, you have to come over here to trade button, click on trade, and once you have clicked on trade, then you have to select the token that you actually want to trade. So you click on turn. So you go ahead and of course type in memeFi. Okay, memeFi like this. So you go ahead and select memeFi USDT pair. Do not select this one. Never go here if you don't know how to trade. Select this one that says spot. Okay, so you click on it, then you go ahead and of course you can see this is the chart right here. Then you come over here, you click on sell. Okay, so over here, guys, on sell, this is where you actually sell your token. But for you to sell your token, you can do it in two ways. You can actually do it using the limit order or market order. Okay, so right now when you click over here, guys, on this drop down right here, then you can see we have a lot of order right here, but I will suggest limit order or market order. The difference between limit order and market order is that if you are using limit order, you are going to set the price at which you want your token to be sold when the market price gets there. For example, you want your market price to you can see I'm on limit. If you want this your own memeFi to sell when the price of memeFi rises to maybe 0.0, okay, 0.01, or maybe just set the price at which you want to memeFi to be sold at. And remember, do not go below the market price, because if you go below the market, this is the market price right here. If you go below the market price, your memeFi could be sold at a loss. Okay, so make sure you put something higher. For example, right now, I'm going to be doing this in two ways. So right now, let me select the limit order first. Let my memeFi sell at 0.07. So this is my limit order, right? So right now I have to select the amount that I want to sell at that price. So right now I have to select, okay, just 50%. That is 1,434 memeFi. So I have to click on sell, and this order will be created instantly. I have to confirm this. This order will be created instantly, and you can see it down here that anytime that the market price of memeFi gets to this price right here, my order will be executed and my memeFi will be exchanged to USDT. So let me teach you about the market order. When I click right here, guys, on this drop down, then I have to select market order. You can see right now we are on market order. Market order is the type of order whereby your coin is sold to the best bidder or to the best person willing to buy. So over here, guys, you can see down here are the buyers, upper here or up above is the sellers. So you can see the highest market price here is 0.0057. So if I'm using the market order, it means that I'm going to be selling instantly. It's not going to queue up like this one. It's going to be sold instantly. So right now I have to select the amount. For this video, I'll just select just few of them, like 255 for the tutorial sake. So right now I have to, of course, click on sell memeFi, and it's going to be executed instantly. So right now, sell, okay, sell like this. Then I have to confirm this. Then look over here, you can see order successfully filled. I have now automatically and easily sold my memeFi to USDT. So when I come back right here, guys, you can see right now we have our memeFi like this. It is now, some parts are sold, some parts are now under or limit order waiting for the right price. So right now, if you sell memeFi, your token is going to be on USDT. USDT is the token that you can actually sell. But if you want to be selling your USDT so that you will receive your money into your bank, then you might have to go ahead and use the P2P or peer-to-peer. Yeah, you have to use the P2P market to navigate to the P2P market. This is it. Over here, guys, this is where you can actually sell your own token and receive your money in bank. But if you do not know how to interact with this P2P or peer-to-peer, desist from it. Do not even attempt coming right here. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video about how to interact with peer-to-peer markets. So, or if once you have gotten your money in USDT now, what you need to do, that is after selling your memeFi, right? Once you have gotten your money in USDT, what you need to do is very simple. Simply get yourself a trusted vendor that will actually buy the USDT from you, so that you can send your USDT to that person and that person will send you real cash. Okay, so that is how easy it is. Okay, so this is a tutorial video. If you want to know how to interact with the P2P, let me know. If you need a trusted vendor to buy your USDT or even your memeFi, let me know on the comment section. Then I will make one available for you. Very trusted and very easy to chat with. Okay, so thank you guys. This is all for this video. I believe you find it helpful. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. It literally means the whole world to me. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you guys so soon.